Subscribe. So, beautiful people, our akara is ready, and this is our Agadi. Okay, so this we want to eat it with this. This is our millet or Agadi. Okay, so follow us as we want to eat this food. Thank you very much. And Manila, stand up. This is our food. So this is how we sit in our village, and eat food. Philip, Manila. So Manila, take. Philip, eat here. Why we get now? This is delicious. Manila, we do it like this. Uh, Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is millet, Manila. This is millet agidi. Manila, sit properly now. Mm. This is not mama, this is Akara. This is delicious. Mm.
This is how we eat it in the village.
Yes.
This is village breakfast. This is the Agadi, millet Agadi. Usually they use corn, maize to prepare it. But this is the millet version. We're eating it with Akara. William? You don't like it? Oh, yeah, no, come and eat. Manila sit very well. Yes, please. You are invited, though.
You are invited.
This is delicious. I like it too.
Manila, welcome and eat.
Manila.
She's already eat rice, so
She has eaten rice already. Philip, you like millet or akara? Bite now, if you want to bite. Yes, please like, share, comment. If you are just watching us for the first time or seeing our beautiful faces for the first time, please help us to share. This is millet Agadi. Agadi. This is very nice for those who are watching their weight. Let's open one. Now wait. No, this one is not moi. This is Agadi. Philip likes moi. Don't worry, we'll prepare moi another day. Let me show viewers what we are eating. Yes. Viewers, As you could see, this is our moi moi. As you could see, this is our akara, and this is our millet agadi.
It's delicious.
Millet agadi, millet eko with spicy akara. Philip is enjoying his own.
Yeah, I'll be back. Come. Subscribe for.
Please help us to share, like, comment.
Press the notification bell to all for more videos.
Subscribe. Philip says subscribe. Manuela, come and tell viewers bye bye.
Bye bye.
Come and sit.
Come.
Yeah. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah.